got our first casualty on the Dempster. We have a flat tire. And I'll be able to see that, but a couple holes in the tread. So we're going to try patching that, see if we can get back on the road. Alright, made it to the Ogilvy Ridge. This beautiful view up here of Andrew. Happy to report we've put, I don't know, maybe 30-40 kilometers on the tire fix, and it seems to be holding air, so that's good. We're about 300 kilometers up the Dempster. Hopefully there's a town that I can buy another tire in soon, and I'll throw that in the back of the truck so I'll have 2 spares then. I should have bought one in Whitehorse. I'm regretting it now, but too little too late. Alright, back on the road.
Another tire.
Yeah, it was a good deal. So we got 2 tires, and this is the town. This is it. Everything's here. Definitely worth a stop. Super friendly guy. Even put the tires on for us. So figured we were gonna do it ourselves. Not me, obviously Josh. So it is just about 10 p.m. and as you can see, it is bright and sunny out and super confusing. But we are probably gonna get back on the road here.
Check out this cool little prairie dog guy. Hey guy. Yeah. So we just been climbing some pretty muddy hills up here, and we just made it to the Northwest Territories sign on the Dempster Highway. Pretty exciting. Here, I'll show you the sign. Here's the sign for Northwest Territories. You can kind of see by this parking lot how muddy the conditions are. The camper, let's see if we can see, it's getting mud sprayed all up over it. And over there, the hoopers, a little shooken up. I guess they were sliding all over coming up the hill, so it's messy. Yeah, you definitely want to have good tires for this kind of thing. Oh, it's kind of cool looking, the clouds moving over the mountain there. And there go the hoopers. They made it, they almost made it into the Northwest Territory, and they're back into the Yukon. Unfortunately, with the size of their rig and everything, I just think it was a bit too much with the muddy roads. They're forecasting rain the next few days around here too, so Andrew wasn't feeling comfortable. They weren't feeling comfortable continuing on up to Tuk, so hopefully we'll meet back up with them down in Dawson City. But for us, the adventure continues, and onward to the Arctic Ocean we go. It's pretty cool, huh?
Popular attraction. Anyway, kind of neat. This is the Catholic Igloo Church.
After a long and boring drive from Inuvik, we have finally reached Tuktoyaktuk. Here we are. Oh, and you can see the pingos in the distance over there. So now that we're in town, unfortunately it's raining, but we need to find a place that we're gonna set up and camp for the evening. Preferably on the ocean, because apparently we can do that somewhere.